Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. My name is Preeti Chaudhary. I am assistant professor and working Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College Ghaziabad from IT department. Today I will discuss on topic that is searching in data structure. Searching is topic we will discuss in this session. And now, what is searching? In computer science, searching is a process to finding a particular element among several given elements. Like we have a number of element and want to find a particular number from that list, so we use searching algorithm. This item may be stored in as a stored in database, simple, and second one is simple data element in array, text file, and nodes in a tree, edges and vertex in a graph. So these are the some elements and these are the some information from these different types of data structure method. So searching is successful when your element which want you found is easily found. If you found, then your searching successful, otherwise we can say that the searching is unsuccessful. Now, first of all, before start my types of searching, I want to say that the why do we need searching? Searching is the one of the more cost computer science algorithm. We know that the computer store a lot of information and retrieve the information from professionally and the by helping searching algorithm. Now I tell you about the what is searching, and as I told you about the what is searching. Now types of searching. Searching is classified into two way. First one is sequential search and second one is interval search. In sequential search is what? In sequential search, data which element you want to find out from given list, a given array. So it is compared to each element. It is compared to each element from a given array. It called a sequentially one by one method. It called a sequentially search. Example of sequentially search is linear search. Second one is interval search. Interval search, these types algorithm are specially designed for searching in sorted data structure. These are type the algorithm is much efficient as compared to linear search, because this type of algorithm is consume very less time as compared to linear search and sequentially search both. So example of interval search is binary search. These are the two way and two types of searching. First one is linear search and second one is binary search. Okay, both are the different types of searching. Now comes to first searching, that name is linear search. What is linear search? Linear search is simplest searching algorithm, same, but it is a sequentially method. It is apply on sequentially method. Like suppose linear search is sequentially one letter, one element which you want to found, it compared to each element which is given in a given element one by one. So it is take a more time to complete the searching. So it traverses, so we can say that the linear search is very simplest algorithm and it traverses the array sequentially to locate the required element, and it search for element by comparing it with each element array to one by one. One by one it working, so we can say that it is sequentially search. So now it is apply. It is apply only that algorithm where according to this algorithm no information is given about the array and array is totally unsorted, no need to arrange it, and but there is a disadvantage of this linear searching. This searching work only very small data. Now it is the example of linear search. Linear search, there are 20 is the your important number you want to find from this list. So according to 10, there is the number of number. One is 10, 15, 13, 17, 18, 16, 20, 19, 14. These are the number and you want to 20 from this given array. So first one is 20. 20 is comparing. 20 is compare the 10. 20 is equal to 10? No. Then again compare to next index. It move to again next index 50. 50 is equal to 20? No. Next again move to 30. 30 is equal to 20? No. Next again move to next index, that is 70. 70 is move to 20? No. Then it is increase by 1 when you find that the exact value. This is 20. 20 is equal to 20? Yes. Then it return position of this array. The position is what? Position of is 6. Indexing of this 6. 6 is the main position of this 20. The output is 6. Let's suppose we take another example here. According to this, given the array n number of element, this n number of element like this 10, 20, 80, 30, 60, 50, 110, 100, 130 and 170. You found your number, that is 110. 110 is your particular number which we want to found. Okay, got it. Now, so what is the output of this searching, and what is the output of this task? So 110 is compared to each number of this given array, and first one is 10. 10 equal to 110? No. Then move to next. Is 20. 20 number is moved to 110? Is no. Then move to again, and it is again moved to, then it is 110. 110 number is equal to 110? Yes. Then what the position of this 110? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one is 6. So what is the output of this numerical and what is the output of this questions is the 6. 6 is the explanation according to the 6 is the output of this array. So number is searching is successful because your number which what you found is 110 is present in this given array. We take the another example. Again there is the some element of this array, and now your key number is 175. You want to found and you want to search this number in given this array. So x is equal to 175. 175 is moved to each compared to each number of this array. 10 equal to 175? No. 20, then move to next number, next location, that is 20. 20 moves to 20 equal to 175? No. Then 80, then 30, 60, 150 and check at last 170, and 70 is equal to 175? No. So output is -1. -1 is what? -1 is indicate that this number, what number? 175. 175 is not present in this given array. So these are the some algorithms. So this, first of all, we take the number of element 1 to n, and searching take the indexing 0 to n minus 1. Next, start from leftmost part. Then move to one by one further. So x is the key. X is the key element. If key element is match from your given array, then return index position. What is the index position? It is the array position. Okay? If x means your particular number which you want to found and is not found in your array, then return is -1. -1 is your searching is unsuccessful, and your which number you want to found, this number is not exist in this given array. So it is the C program of linear searching. According to this program, first of all is the search function. According to search function, take the some variable and some mass. It is a integer for it is a array number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's we can take the integer part. Next number, which number is key, how many element in your given array. Next int x. It is the particular key and particular number which you want to found from given array. So it is the function working as a looping. Int I, integer number, and it is the looping for I value equal to 0. Then I moves to n. So there is the number int equal to, this is location 0 1 2 3 4, and numbering x is what it is the you want to, x is here, check 4, okay, and it is a 4. So x, now comparison, a of I value is 2, a of I value is 2 is compared with 4, 2 equal to 4, no, तो रिटर्न -1. अदरवाइज जैसे मूव टू इंक्रीज, तो इंक्रीज I 1 1, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, I प्लस प्लस इट मूव टू इंक्रीज, देन 0 1 2 3 and you got your number is here, so location is 2, so you find it location which is 2, तो रिटर्न I में क्या आ जाएगा, आपकी लोकेशन 2. Now next in main void there are the some predefined array in this program, int array 2 3 4 10 40, these are the number of given array and your key is 10. In 10 size of array upon size of array is 0 is the size of it is a create a size of given array. So result is searching, so we move result and searching array, then it is work on this function, then move output is return 1, either output is return 2, then print element is not present in array, otherwise else printf element is present in index, percentage is here the result is the position, if not then return -1 if not present, and equal to 4 if you found your element, then return I, or I is means the position of this given array. So according to this array, output is this 0 1 2 3 and your key is 10, so output is 3 is the location of this array. So element is present in the index and that name is 3. Now time complexity of this linear searching order of n, and actually space is 0 1. Now I tell you the some cases of time complexity analysis. There the two situation is created. First one is best case and second one is worst case. When best case is occur, let's suppose we take an example. And your key is 2. So you want to found 2 from this given array. So x equal to 2, comparing the a of I is 2, equal to same, then your number is here. So you don't need to go further array. So it is the according to this situation, your टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑर्डर ऑफ 1, बिकॉज आपको फर्स्ट कंडीशन पे ही क्या हुआ है, आपको फर्स्ट एरे के फर्स्ट पॉइंट पर ही आपको आपका एलिमेंट मिल गया. सो दिस इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ 1 ऑपरेशन. तो बिकॉज हियर आपने यहाँ पे क्या किया, अकॉर्डिंग टू जो आपका फंक्शन था सर्चिंग फंक्शन, वो आपने फर्स्ट टाइम चलाया. सो what is the worst case? Worst case being search may be present in last position or may be present does not present in array. Let's suppose you want to found 4 from this given array. So x equal to 4, x is the your key you want to found, and it check each number of given array. X equal to 2, no, then move to next index. 4 equal to 3, no, then move to again next index. Again 4 equal to 9, no, then move to next index. And x equal to 4, yes. But according to this condition, this number your element move and compare each element. So there is a number of element is here. So searching function is work on number of element which is given your array. So your output of worst case in time complexity order of n. If your number is not found and if your number is not present 2, 3, 9, 4, so again move working is like this कि first of all आप हम यहीं पे move करेंगे, फिर 3, फिर 9, then 4, first to end तक हम array के पास जाएंगे और वहाँ फिर से वही चेक करेंगे, इंडेक्सिंग चेक करेंगे, पर वहाँ पे अगर नंबर नहीं मिलता है तो सेम उस कंडीशन पे भी हमारा कौन सा कंडीशन आती है, वर्स्ट केस. गॉट इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट searching, second searching, that is binary search. Binary search is one of the fastest searching as compared to linear search. Second is it is used to finding the location same as a linear array. It works on the principle of divide and conquer techniques. And in binary search, all element must be in sorted, means arrange order. So if your element in your given array is numbers, then you use ascending and descending order. But if your element is string, then it is order dictionary order, must be arranged dictionary order. If your element is number, then use ascending order. Got it? So now so these are the two conditions if your element is a number and if your element is string. So this is the example of binary search. First one is, it is again same questions. These are the some element of given array and you want to found 23 from this given array. 23. So but here it not work as a sequentially, it is work on divide and conquer. So first of all, it create a midpoint. How to create a midpoint? Midpoint is index of starting and index of ending plus divide by 2. 0 plus 9 divide by 2. Find for midpoint. Midpoint. Okay. 9 upon 2 equal to 4.5 and take a floor value, that is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is 16 and 16 is your mid number. ठीक है, mid number is 16. Now it is check. 16 equal to your key number. Key number is what? Key number is your particular number, which number you want to found. It equal to 16? No. Then move to left direction and right direction. If your number is 23, is greater, this portion, this number, then move to right direction. Otherwise move to left direction if your key number is less than midpoint. Got it? Then again this. Up move to again this point. This is your midpoint and move to this because your key number is 23. But remaining this part is totally reduced. So this part is totally reduced from this even given array. So so that we can use less time to complete this searching. Now 16 up, then again move to this. This is again it now binary search apply on this array part. Okay, got it? Let's suppose we take some example here. 110. It is the same as I told you in linear searching. So input these are the some number 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, 80, 180, 130, 140 and 170, and your key number is 110. So easily you know about that what is the indexing of this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The indexing, so it is all written indexing of the array. So it is 6. 6 is present in this algorithm in this array. And input is, next we take the another example 175, and 175 is same thing, and 175 is not present in this array. So output is element x is not present in this array. So some things about binary search. Binary search is a searching algorithm used to store array to repeatedly dividing the searching interval half hour. So it is work on divide and conquer algorithm. So time complexity of binary search is the n log n. Algorithm is this basic steps. First one is same thing. First one, you want to find mid element. On mid element you found the begin, same value begin with the mid element is whole number in searching. If value of search equal to your mid, then move to right direction, otherwise move to left direction. So same. Now I tell you last algorithm from this algorithm part. Binary search is the function. Here you take the algorithm, here you take a array, x is your key, and low and high is the bound, lower bound and upper bound. So this is lower bound and this is upper bound of this array, called low and high. Now condition check, if 0 is greater than high, high is what 4, then return क्या हो जाएगा false, कि यहाँ पे हमारी सक्सेस, यहाँ पे हमारी सर्चिंग एल्गोरिथम वर्क्स नहीं करेगी. सो अदरवाइज देयर इज कंडीशन 0 तो फॉल्स हो जाएगा अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे कंडीशन आएगी तो. नेक्स्ट अगर हमारे पास अगर नहीं होती है, क्योंकि कंडीशन तो फॉल्स हो जाएगी, तो हमारे पास अगर नहीं होगी, क्योंकि 0 तो ग्रेटर हो ही नहीं सकता 4 से, तो मूव टू नेक्स्ट एल्स पार्ट. इन एल्स पार्ट, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, first of all find out the midpoint. Midpoint is lower bound plus upper bound divided by 2. Then mid value is checked with your key number. If x equal to mid value, then return mid value, otherwise return -1. Otherwise move to left to right. So first of all, if your key number is greater than mid value, then move to right direction, otherwise move to left direction, like this. X equal to array, mid, both is if same, then return mid, otherwise move, otherwise it is x is greater than, move to right direction, otherwise move to left direction. Again apply this function on that. Again here apply binary search algorithm from this to this. अब now it is lower bound, 5 is a lower bound and 9 is a upper bound. You can say the high value. Again find out the mid value, then check is when your number not found. Now it is a C program of the binary search. These are the same functions up here. First is the condition, that is the check it, mid number is this, return equal to x, same it is, this is a lower bound, it is for lower bound and it is for upper bound, n -1, and is in according to this function we use a r high for high bound, r -1 equal to 2. Find mid value. Now mid value is check. Mid value equal to x. If yes, then return mid. Otherwise, next condition is there कि your mid value is greater than x. If greater than x, apply again binary search. Less than में, then again apply. So if mid value is greater x means x is less than mid value. Less than, then move to left. If x is greater which mid value, then move to right in your question, in your given array. So if -1 is written, means that number which we want to found is not present in your array. These are the same thing as I told you in linear searching. In array, it is the given array and it is the key of your array, and you want to search. This is your particular number you want to search, and this is a creating size of your given array. So find out the result. What is the result here? So result is binary search. Binary search is move to there, and these all conditions apply. Then output ki element is present in index. If return what -1, then your output is element is not present in this array. Same output is this, because according to this array 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 10 ये, तो your number is 10, तो 0, 1, 2, 3. So output is 3 and time complexity of this 10 log n, and actually complexity same O log n. Now time complexity here. So let's say we take an example here for time complexity. You want to found 8. Let's suppose your mid number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your mid number is this. So check. So this remaining part of this array totally reduce. So our binary algorithm works only this part of this array. So time is very less consumed here. So time complexity of binary search is n log to n. So now I tell you again by this example. This is a sum 3, 10. These are the indexing 0, 1, 0, A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5 and A of 6, and these are the sum element. So work this. How? It is 0 and it is 6. 0 and 6. First of all, what is this? We find the mid value. Mid value is what? 0 plus 6 divided by 2 equal to 6 upon 2 what? 3. So A of 3 is 20, but your key element is 15. What 15 equal to 20? No. Then it is less and greater? Less. Then move to left side. Move to left side. Then it is 0 and it is mid minus 1 value. Again apply on this binary searching. There. 30, 20 equal to 15? No. Then move to left direction. Left direction is there. What? Mid minus 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. And again check. Again find out kya? What? Mid value. Mid value is there. 2 and 0. 2 and 0 divided by 2. तो क्या आ जाएगा? 0 plus 2 equal to 2. तो 2 divided by 2 what is 1? What is 1? 1 is 10. 10 equal to 15. 15 is what? It is your particular number. 10 equal to 15? No. Then check. What check? कि your number is less than and greater than move 15. So again it is greater than, so move to right direction, move to right direction, and both number is same because here m plus 1, lower bound is midpoint plus 1, and this is upper bound is already this, not change, so 1 is 1, so 2 here, and upper bound is 2, so what is this, 4 upon 2 is what, 2 indexing is this, what is number here, 15, what 15 equal to 15, yes, so what the position of indexing position is, return is 2, कि indexing 2 पे हमारा 15 number present है. Now what the some advantage of this, first of all I tell you one thing कि when you explain and when you cover this algorithm, all element of given array must be sorted. Second one is element half list part is totally reduced and limit, and but again to comparison, so information is it is used to search, and large list number it work the better than the linear. So these are the some advantage of binary search, but there is some disadvantage. Disadvantage of binary search are employ the recursive algorithm require the more stack space. Second one is programming binary searching algorithm error prone and difficult, and the iteration of binary searching with memory is hierarchy, and this is the catching of poor. So there is some comparison of binary search and linear search, binary search and linear search. First of all, linear search, in linear search there is no need to sorting elements, but according to binary search must be need a sorted element to solve a searching algorithm. Second one is in linear search we work your number is 8 is comparison each number, so it is called a sequentially, but there is not each, it is divide, it work on divide and conquer. First of all it work on mid center, midpoint, and then move to left to right, and remaining other part is totally reduce. So time complexity of this, time complexity of linear order of n, and time complexity of binary search order log n. Okay, it is work on multi-dimensional array can be used, here only single dimensional array is used, and less complex, but it is more complex because it is just only comparison to each number, it is equal to then move, otherwise it is not equal to then move, otherwise find out your indexing. But it is more, first of all find out the mid value, then move to left and right, and again apply binary search. It is low process because key value is comparison each value, each element of given array, that's why it is very slow, but according to this is fast because it is find out firstly mid value, then move to half part and work in other part, so it is very fast procedure. Thank you, and remaining part of this binary searching will be discussed in next session. Thank you so much.